No Fitbit Charge since 2023, and the rumors are wild. Is the Charge 7 dropping mid-2025 with Pixel Watch tech, a dazzling ammo LED, and battery life to rival Garmin? Stick around. This could be Fitbit's big comeback. Hey fitness fam! The Fitbit Charge 6 dropped late 2023, and now the buzz is all about its successor. X and Forbes are dropping hints. Let's unpack the Charge 7 rumors and see if it's ready to take on Apple and Garmin. Let's dive in. So, what's cooking? No new Charge since October 2023, 18 months and counting. Forbes on March 11, 2025, and X chatter point to a mid-2025 drop. Think July or August. Picture this: a slimmer, lighter design, maybe 12 grams versus the 15-gram Charge 6, fused with Google Pixel Watch tricks, a brighter ammo LED screen, say 600 nits over the 450, can make it pop in sunlight. And battery life? Rumors say 10 days, not 7, to flex on Apple Watch just 18 hours. Fitbit's fitness DNA stays, heart rate, sleep, GPS, but with Google's AI edge. Why is this trending? Fitbit's fighting to stay king. Charge 6 was solid $160, Google Maps, ECG, but its tiny screen and GPS hiccups left room to grow. A Charge 7 with Pixel Watch tech, like snappier UI and sharper sensors, could steal Apple's casual crowd and Garmin's fitness buffs. X users want sleek over bulky, and Forbes bets on a $180 price tag. Mid-2025's perfect pose, Pixel Watch 3 hype, pre-holiday rush. Here's the twist: Google's phasing out Fitbit smartwatches. Versa, Sense, gone. Is Charge 7 next? Or Fitbit's last stand? No leaks confirmed it yet, just speculation. If it lands, it's got a nailed design and battery to win. Could this be your next tracker? What's your Charge 7 wish list? Bigger screen? Longer juice? Drop it in the comments.